In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Canva newsletter with Mailchimp. This fantastic combination allows you to create visually captivating emails using Canva's design prowess while harnessing Mailchimp's robust email marketing tools. Let's dive straight into the process and make sure you're all set up to impress your audience. First, we're going to start by logging in to Canva. So go ahead and open your web browser to visit canva.com. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're in, the next step is to find a suitable template. Just use the search bar and type in either email newsletter or email template to browse through various styles. When you found a template you like or that inspires you, select it. If you're feeling particularly creative, you can even start from scratch. This is your opportunity to personalize every aspect to match your branding. Adjust the text, swap out the images, tweak the colors, and choose the right fonts, ensuring not only that it's visually appealing, but that it truly represents your brand. Bear in mind the importance of keeping your design simple and mobile-friendly. With many of us reading emails on our phones, it's crucial that your newsletter is easily readable and looks great on smaller screens. Once you're satisfied with the design and layout, it's time to export your creation. Head to the top right corner of Canva and click on Share. From there, the next step is to choose Download. You'll need to download it in a format compatible with Mailchimp, so your best bets are either PNG or JPG, as Mailchimp doesn't directly support Canva templates. Now that you have your design saved, let's move on to Mailchimp. Open a new tab and log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, click on Create and then select Email, followed by Regular Email to start a new campaign. You'll be prompted to choose a template, and here's where you can pick a custom template or a simple layout depending on your preference and the design's complexity. To add your Canva masterpiece, simply drag and drop an image block into your email. Then upload your PNG or JPG file of your Canva design right into that block. You might need to adjust the size a bit, so take the time to make it just right. Before we finalize everything, it's important to click on Preview and Test to see how your newsletter looks. This step ensures that the final product meets your expectations. If everything is in order and you love how it looks, all that's left is to schedule or send your email campaign. And there you have it. You've successfully created and set up a dynamic newsletter using both Canva and Mailchimp, ready to reach and engage your audience. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy designing and emailing!